Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. As you have seen from the title, today I've got another brand new Beetles gel polish set to show you. I'm obsessed with Beetles. If you've been with me a while, you'll know that I've literally tested out so many of their sets now and I use them pretty much every time I do any form of nail art. There'll be a bit of Beetles involved in there somewhere. I love their gel polishes. They're really affordable, really good quality, and definitely my favourite brand. So this particular collection I'll be showing you today is called Sunset Soiree. I think that's how it's pronounced. I think it's a brand new set. There's no reviews on Amazon. No one else done a video on it yet, so I think it's a pretty new set and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I'll pop an image up on the screen now so you can have a look, but the colours are just stunning and there's a whole bunch of colours there that I'm pretty sure I don't have amongst any of my gel polishes, so I'm super excited. But anyways, I hope you'll enjoy the video. I'll be doing swatches of all the colours today and just giving you guys my honest thoughts on them. So I'm going to crack on now and have a look at these beautiful polishes. So before I dive into the big collection, I want to show you guys this as well. So I don't know if I've just missed it this whole entire time or whether these are actually new, but I noticed the other day that I was literally scraping the bottle of my last bottle of glossy top coat and sort of went into a bit of a panic and like, I needed some immediately. So I went straight on Amazon, and Beetles is always my top brand to go for my top coats. And I come across these, which are 15ml bottles of glossy top coat and base coat. I've not seen these ones before. I don't know if they're new or whether I have just completely missed them, but they're 15ml bottles, and for the glossy top coat and the base coat together as a set, £7.99, which is so affordable and top quality, and I'm really excited because they're 15ml bottles. Like, look at the size of them. They're absolutely massive and they're gonna last me ages, so I'm really happy. So I thought I'd just show you guys in case you didn't know. I just thought for £7.99 for these two was such an absolute bargain, and if you're looking for a really good base coat and top coat, highly recommend these. And also got next day delivery of Amazon Prime, so you really can't go wrong with these. I do thoroughly recommend them. Okay, and then moving on to the good bit. This is the box. I'm not going to go through the packaging because I do that every single time I review one of these collections. It's always the same packaging. It's the most beautiful packaging ever, but it's the same as always. If you'd like to get a bit more of a close look at the packaging, you can see that in other videos, but for now I'm literally just going to show you the colours in this collection. So as always, they are really well packaged. So in this collection you have got 20 colours, and then you've also got a matte top coat, a glossy top coat and a base coat. The top coats and base coats are in 10ml size bottles, and these colours are in 5ml bottles. They do seem like really small bottles, but I find with Beetles that they do still last a long time because they're so pigmented, and quite a lot of the time you literally only need one coat and they're good to go. You do find the odd sheer ones, but I find mass majority, like a good 90% of Beetles gel polish is really pigmented, and yeah, I literally use one coat and it's fine. So they're definitely really good value for money. So like I said, you get 20 colours. So you've got that one, and then another one with 4 more colours, and that is the matte top coat, the glossy top coat and the base coat. They're really good. The Beetles matte top coat is literally my favourite matte top coat I've ever used. I thoroughly recommend it because it really is matte. It hasn't got that weird sheen to it like quite a lot of them do. This one is truly matte. And they're good size bottles, they're really good. I can't recommend them enough. So all in all, you get 20 colours plus 3 top coats, so you get 23 bottles in this collection. I find that quite a lot of Beetles, you can either get a set like this where you get the 20 colours and the 3 bigger bottles, or they tend to do collections with 6 colours in. You don't get the top coats or base coat, but you can get collections with 6 coloured bottles in, and I believe they're bigger size bottles. I think they might be 10ml bottles for the colours, but I'm not entirely sure. I've never actually bought one of their 6-piece collections. I've always got the bigger ones because I really like them, and on occasion they do also release collections with 12 bottles of gel polish in, but they're all really affordable. There's a huge variety of them on Amazon, and I really can't recommend them enough. They're literally so affordable and the best gel polish I've ever used. I really highly rate them. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go through, I'm going to swatch them all, and then I will put half and half matte and glossy top coat as I always do, so you can see them glossy and mattified, and I'll get back to you at the end with my thoughts. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here we go. Another really stunning collection from Beetles. I'm literally made up for this one. So I'll go through the colours one by one. They're not in any particular order here. I've literally just whacked them on swatch sticks as I finished them. This one is the 968, which it looks white on camera, but it's actually more sort of, it's got like a creamy sort of colour to it. It's a little bit, not quite white, it's sort of like an off-white, but it's really pretty. As you can see, got matte there, glossy there, looks gorgeous either way. And I don't think I have like an off-white colour like this amongst my collection, so I definitely like that. We have got 969, which is kind of like this sort of buttery yellow, I'd call it, maybe. It's sort of like a creamy sort of yellow colour, sort of like a pastel, I suppose. But again, absolutely gorgeous in both matte and glossy. We've got 970, which is like a sunflower yellow, again really gorgeous in matte and glossy. We've got this kind of like pastel sort of orange, 971 this is. Again, really beautiful both ways. A more vibrant orange, this is 972. This one's so pigmented, literally with one coat, it's just like wow. And it's so bright and so vibrant, gorgeous, gorgeous shade of pink. This is number 973, absolutely lovely. This one here is quite sheer, as you can see. It's sort of got like a jelly sort of effect to it, but it's also sparkly. I think it does look really nice, both glossy and matte, but I think I prefer it in glossy. It's just got a cute little subtle pink sparkle to it. That's 974. Like I said, it's quite sheer, as you can sort of see there, but it's a really nice gel polish regardless. This one surprised me because on the lid it looked more sort of red toned, and when I opened the bottle I was kind of shocked, but it's more like an orange. But again, it's just got that like shimmery, like really fine. I'd say it's got some pigment powder in it. It's just really shimmery, but I really love that, both matte and glossy. That's number 975. Here we've got number 976. This is a gorgeous colour. This is kind of like a corally sort of colour, sort of like reddy, orange, pinky. I'll just say corally. I've got quite a few glitters in this sort of colour. It's just beautiful. It's really, really, really beautiful. I absolutely love that matte as well. Okay, so this one here is 986. I have actually given this one 2 coats just because I wanted to show you guys the full effect of it, because it's really, really, really pretty, but it is a bit sheer, so I gave it 2 coats and sort of made it a bit more opaque. But it's sort of got like a black base and then sort of like a bluey sort of green silver glitter to it, slightly chunky. You may have seen during the application it does sort of come out quite lumpy, but it's gone fine now that it's got a top coat over it. Not sure how I feel about it in matte, but it's definitely very pretty and glossy. We have got a gorgeous neutral shade here, sort of like a nice nude. This is 979. Very nice. This one here, which is kind of like a mauve colour, I suppose. I accidentally knocked it, putting it into my lamp, hence the bit of damage going on there. But this is 981, and it is an absolutely beautiful colour. Love that. This one here is 978. I'd say it's kind of like a peachy pink, but it's just really gorgeous again. We've got this one here, which is 977. It is a little bit on the sheer side, this one, but it's still a nice colour regardless, kind of like a very hot pink. This one's an interesting colour. I don't think I have one like this in my collection. It says 982. It's kind of like a reddy sort of pinky colour. I don't really know how to explain that, but it's gorgeous. I love that in matte as well. It's really pretty. So this one's very similar to that other one I was showing you with the glitter. Again, it did come out quite lumpy when applying it, but after putting on some top coat it's fine. It's still got the black base, but then like it's got like gold shards in it, gold glitter. It's got some purple and blue in there. It's really beautiful. Like, it really is absolutely gorgeous. We've got 980, very sort of light pinky colour. Again, that's stunning in matte. This sort of blue here, which I'd kind of call like a denim blue. 984. It's really gorgeous though, and I don't know if I have a colour like that amongst my collection. And it's also really opaque. Really love that one. We've got 985, which is this sort of deep, sort of more like navy blue. Again, that one's really opaque because I've had quite a few dark navy blue gel polishes and I've always found them to be quite sheer. But this one in particular is pretty opaque on one coat, and it's an absolutely gorgeous shade of blue. And then finally we have got 983, which is this purple. This one is a little bit sheer, but I reckon another coat or two and you'll be fine. Really gorgeous colour again, and yeah, I really, really, really love this collection. So I think the name for this collection is absolutely bang on. I really love the variety. I love these sort of sparkly, shimmery ones that they've added in there. And there's just so many different colours I generally do not have in my collection, which I really, really, really like. I definitely would highly recommend any of Beetle's gel polish. I have done multiple videos now on multiple collections of theirs, and I've never been disappointed with them. In my opinion, like, you know, whenever someone asks what would you recommend as your best gel polish, I always say Beetles. Like, I really do love Beetles because they're so affordable and they're just so great, and their collections just have such a variety. They literally have every colour under the sun in many different shades, and yeah, they're all just so perfect. So yeah, it's definitely a massive thumbs up from me. They all cure beautifully. They've got a beautiful consistency. The colours are amazing, and yeah, I just can't rate them enough. But you guys, if you've been with me a while, you know this anyway. I just adore Beetles so, so, so much. But anyways, I will leave the link to this collection and also the large bottles of the base and top coat in my description box if you'd like to take a look for yourselves. You can buy them on Amazon. But otherwise, I hope you have all enjoyed this video. I've tried to keep it as short and sweet as possible. If you have liked it, please remember to hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to hit my 1k subscribers. And yeah, other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day. I love you all and I will see you in the next video. Bye!